Hi boss, welcome back to Griffo Trader. We are in gold 4H time frame and you can see that we are in a clear downtrend and price is making lower highs and lower lows. You see that gold is currently trading in the 4 hourly support structure which has been tested by the market multiple times. But this structure has given it enough push to complete its pullback phase, and in my opinion, this pullback phase has ended, and gold is now approaching to its next target, which is between 1770 and 1760 here. So our entry in this scenario should be a sell entry only, but we can also find a buy entry because we have to be prepared for every situation. But based on the previous behavior of the market, it is more likely to have further decline in the price. Well, our entry point in this situation should be that we should wait for the price to break and close below this structure and wait for a pullback into this zone, and then we should find our short position here. The other scenario is, which is probably not going to happen, but we have to discuss it here, that if gold is unable to break this structure, then it could be a possible double bottom here. So see if we find any good buying pressure here along with any long wick rejection candle to the bottom, then this could be a possible buy zone as well. Well, this is all for XAU USD gold analysis today. Now let's start analyzing the silver. We are in 4H time frame and you can see that silver is also going through the downtrend in 4 hourly time frame. The current situation is that silver is currently trading in the daily support zone, which is a strong zone because the price has tested it multiple times. And you see the daily trend is also up as long as the price does not break and close below this previous major swing low. But let me tell you one thing, this all does not matter to a day trader. All we have to do is to check 4 hourly time frame. We have to see what is our trend in 4 hourly time frame and what are the most recent areas of values we have to focus on and find our entry points according to our structure levels in 4 hourly time frame only. That's it. Keep it as simple as possible. So according to our strategy, in 4H time frame, silver has made two most recent levels for the price. One is this support level where we see a long wick rejection to the bottom, and one is this zone where we see the price is unable to break this area for a while. This support zone is between 23.27 and 23.39, while this resistance zone is between 23.63 and 23.70. So our entry points are these two levels. If price reach into this zone, stay with the trend and find a possible short position here, or wait for the break and close above this zone to find a possible long trade here. Likewise, if price reach into this zone, find a possible bullish pressure here to look for the possible buy trade, or to stay with the trend, let the price break and close below this structure to look for the possible short trade on the pullback into this zone here. Well, being a trader, our job is not to find out what is market going to do next at any given point, but our job is to be prepared for whatever the market throws at us. So a good trader always try to prepare his plans according to the market situation and does not try to move the market into his favor. We should be prepared for every possible opportunity. Read the chart carefully, find possible entry points, and trade only when we get enough evidences and confirmations of the price pattern in favor of our potential trade direction. Honestly, still there is no guarantee that we are going to win our trade, even after all these precautions. But it surely gives us an edge over the market and increases our winning odds. Well, you can do your own research and do not consider it a financial advice. Good luck. Happy trading.